Hi YouTube, what up man? It's your boy Hemi Meech and I'm back again with another video for y'all. As y'all can see, we have the side marker lights on and popping. Why is that little piece out? I don't know. Maybe my OCD gonna get the best of me later on. But as y'all can see, we do got that wired up. This is exactly how I did it. I took these wires from a previous Chrysler, you know, who already had the side markers. I got some T-tappers, and this is basically what I did so far. I gotta tape everything down after that. After I'm done, I'm gonna tape everything down after I button everything up and do the other side. But real easy, bro. I'm gonna do the back side another day. I'll probably do it today. I don't know if I'm gonna do the back side. I gotta see how the back side look first. But yeah, so basically I tapped into that one, that white and blue wire, and then, you know, ground is, you know, just ground basically. And that is the result of everything, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. That look fire. That look fire, bro. I also bought these so my bumper can stop sagging so much. As y'all can see, this other one, I had nigger rigged it and it was taped up. So I went on ahead and finally got some more. I'm finna finish installing this, and then when nighttime come, you can fully see the full effect. I wanted to go with these to match these because I'm about to get some new headlights anyways. And I was gonna get I'm thinking about getting the orange ones with the orange to match this. Or I might just go ahead and get the ones with the clear. Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think. Should I leave it matched up? Because I got the orange and then the ones that's in the back is red. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, and yeah. All right, y'all. So I got the other one wired up. All that's left to do is just clean this stuff up. You just basically repeat the stuff that you did over there, and boom. Now this one is fully through. While this one over here, oh, never mind. It worked. It was like a dot. I know y'all seen earlier in the video. I ain't crazy or nothing, but yeah. So that worked. All right, cool. Yeah. So we gonna get everything put back together up front, and then we gonna move to the back and see what we can do about the back. The back might be a little more challenging, but we're gonna see what we can do. All right, y'all. Look. Ooh, wait. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This motherfucker got the full 2023 package, bro. Shit's crazy. I ain't do the back yet. Back coming soon. Y'all stay tuned for that. We're gonna get the back wired up real shortly here. All right, YouTube. So we have the front wired up, everything put back together, as y'all can see. Look at that. Featuring Clee. Other side work. Yeah, they work good. Look at that. And then they go off when the lights go off. So hold on, let me show y'all. They go off when the lights go off. Now, I wasn't gonna do the ones tonight, the back ones tonight, but I think I'm gonna go through it doing them. As y'all can see, it turns off as such. Oh man, that was long overdue, y'all. Long overdue. So let me go put her up real quick, and then we're gonna get started on this back. Hopefully that don't go bad. Hopefully we can, you know, yeah. All right, y'all. So I got my headlamp on. I'm sitting crisscross motherfucking applesauce out there. So I got the new light in. These motherfuckers wasn't long enough, so I found some wire in the crib, cut it, you know, did the adapters or whatever, the little, whatever the fuck them bitches called, these. Put some tape around it, and this is the setup, and we're gonna see if it works. So yeah, I'm out here trying to make it work, and y'all can see it's fucking nighttime and I got a goddamn headlamp on. Oh, we need a paint correction or a wrap, either or. Yeah, I love these Cooper tires on this car, man, for real. But all right, y'all, let me try this real quick. Tell me that ain't dope, y'all. Tell me that ain't dope. Also, let me show y'all something else too. That's raw as hell. We gotta wire up the back ones, man. We gotta wire up the back ones. But as far as the front is pretty simple to wire up. You just gotta wire up the back ones. Let me know what y'all think about that. We gotta get some lights in this thing. We gotta get some lights. Ooh, y'all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. I'm gonna probably be posting that video of the side marker lights, even though I still gotta do the back. But man, when I say, hold on, y'all, that shit make a hell of a difference, bro. Just something so small, so tedious can make such a huge difference, bro. That's fucking crazy. Side marker lights. I can't wait to get the back ones wired up. And then, yeah. And then the Brimbos come in. The Brimbos come in Saturday. So, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. They gonna make the wheels pop. Feel me? Yeah, so I'm finna close. Bro, somebody told me in my comment section I drive like a senior citizen. I can't help it, man. I be trying not to get no tickets, man. Bro, I be trying not to get no tickets. So sometimes I drive like a senior citizen. I can't help it. But hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, I know it wasn't like I should have put my GoPro on, but I had just got off work. And I was trying to hurry up and, see if I could actually do it. T-tappers. And like I said, that kit, not that kit, but I had got those wires from a previous 15 Chrysler, which I need to find some more because the wires that I have for the back that I ordered, those not working. So I need to find some or try some different wires. But make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on. We are now at 10K subs. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys give me. We are going nowhere but up from here, y'all. I'm telling y'all, man. I'm trying to bring out some good content. I'm trying to be consistent. All that good stuff, man. So appreciate y'all, man. I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.